We are standing at the precipice of a new era, one where technology is no longer just a tool, but a force that will reshape humanity. The world we once knew, where human capabilities were defined solely by biology, is rapidly transforming. Today, technology has the power to transcend human limitations, enhancing not just our bodies but our minds. This is the age of transhumanism, an age where the boundaries between humans and machines are becoming increasingly blurred. But what does that mean for the essence of humanity? Consider, for a moment, the human body. Now, imagine that body augmented, not just restored, by technology. Prosthetics are no longer mere replacements for lost limbs. They are sophisticated, high-performance devices that allow us to exceed our natural abilities. Advances in bionics have given people the power to do what was once impossible, from robotic arms that function like human ones to exoskeletons that allow the paralyzed to walk again. Did you know that the global market for prosthetic devices is expected to exceed $8.9 billion by 2026? This is not a far-off future. It is happening now. Companies like Open Bionics are creating prosthetics controlled by thought alone, allowing amputees to experience a return to normal life. The future of prosthetics is no longer about restoring the body. It's about enhancing it. Now, let's look inside our DNA. For thousands of years, humanity's genetic code has been fixed, handed down from one generation to the next. But now, with revolutionary tools like CRISPR-Cas9, scientists are rewriting the script of life itself. Genetic diseases that once seemed insurmountable are now being erased before birth. And we are beginning to ask, should we stop there? Through genetic editing, we now have the potential to enhance not only our bodies, but our minds. It's no longer science fiction. In fact, CRISPR has been used to successfully treat sickle cell anemia, and efforts are underway to genetically eliminate many common diseases. But the ethical questions are profound. Where do we draw the line? Should we edit our own genes to create a better human? Imagine being able to control technology with just your thoughts. Today, through neurointerfaces, this is becoming a reality. Brain-machine interfaces allow us to connect directly with computers and robots, opening doors to unprecedented possibilities. For people with paralysis, these devices have allowed them to move their limbs again. But what happens when these devices become more advanced? When our minds themselves can be augmented, expanded, and enhanced by artificial intelligence? Neurotechnology is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, is working on brain-machine interfaces that could help treat neurological diseases and even enhance cognitive abilities. With AI integration, we may one day upload our consciousness, becoming something entirely new, no longer confined to biological limits. With each breakthrough, we come face to face with the age-old question: what does it mean to be human? As we integrate more advanced technologies into our bodies, as we reshape our genetic makeup, and as we begin to enhance our minds, we must consider the consequences. Will these advancements be available to everyone? Or will they create a new class of genetically superior humans? Will some be left behind, unable to afford these life-altering enhancements? In 2020, nearly 40% of people in developed nations expressed concern about the growing divide between enhanced and non-enhanced individuals. The fear is that we could end up creating a society where only the wealthy have access to life-extending technologies, leaving the rest of humanity to fall further behind. The debate over transhumanism is no longer theoretical. It is a pressing issue for our society. Look at the world around us. Prosthetics, brain-machine interfaces, and AI-powered enhancements are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They are here, shaping our world, challenging our ideas of what it means to be human. But as we merge with machines, as we augment our bodies, what happens to our identity? Are we still human if we become part machine? People with cybernetic implants, exoskeletons, and even artificial organs are already walking among us. And the lines between human and machine are becoming harder to distinguish. By 2027, the market for cyborg technologies is expected to reach $13.2 billion. But as we adopt more machine-like characteristics, we must ask ourselves, what are we becoming? And will our future selves still resemble the humans we know today? As we look ahead, one thing is clear. The future we are building is unlike any that has come before it. Technology is changing not only how we live, but who we are. The possibilities are limitless. Enhanced intelligence, robotic limbs, digital immortality. But with every advancement, we face profound questions about identity, ethics, and the essence of humanity. In the end, the path forward is not just about what we can do, but what we should do. As we stand on the threshold of a new age, we must ask ourselves, how will we navigate this uncharted territory? And in doing so, what will we become? Thank you for watching. If you want to explore more of the groundbreaking ideas shaping our future, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. The world of transhumanism is just getting started.